It looks like you're in your Bugatti today, maybe his Range Rover. What are you in today, Sean?
Yeah, it's definitely the Bugatti.
Bugatti, sweet.
I don't even know why I'm on these calls.
Right. We got to get another, we got to get a yacht. We got to get a yacht, my brother. We got to get a yacht.
Going for the yacht. Yes, yes. And on that note, I'm trying to set up a meeting with yacht type people.
Okay.
I used your attention grabber. There's something going on in the industry no one's talking about. Want to set up a meeting, to make sure you're aware of these issues.
Mm-hmm.
And I used it for attention grabber to get in front of these high level people.
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering if maybe I should have used something else, because they're like, well, tell me what's going on so we can book a meeting. And I'm like, well, I'm not comfortable talking to it over the phone. I want to get in front of the right people. Of course, I'm talking to the messenger here.
Yeah.
Not that people.
Okay, so let's fix we'll fix a couple of these things really quick. Let's remove the words "set up a meeting." That's gone, and we're going to replace that with, just wanted to make sure you were aware of it. Let's keep things light. Let's keep them moving fast. Now, if you know that it's a gatekeeper, okay, make sure you're broadcasting on the radio station of WIIFM. What's in it for me, right? So a lot of times organizations haven't seen Lyft and XYZ and ABC, and it's easy. And then where would I go to share a couple insights with that? Where instead of who? So that's going to get you over to them. But your insight should be so light that if somebody is saying, what is it? You can, in very quick terms, go through that insight, right? Like back to Kendall, right? A lot of school districts are dealing with costs of goods, materials. They're losing their top tier talent to private schools, and they're hemorrhaging cash. How are you guys dealing with that, right? Man, yeah, I know it's been a problem, but I don't handle that stuff. Our procurement and our budget team handles that. Perfect. I have a few ideas because I work with school districts all across the country. I have a few ideas that I think would be helpful to them. Even if you guys never did business with us, I mean, I'm literally in school districts all day, every day. Where would I go to share a couple of those ideas? Talk to Tina Struthers. Let me shoot you over to her direct line right now, right? Boom, and then you're off on there. When you say set up a meeting, it's akin to a root canal or an IRS audit. Like, nobody wants to set up a meeting.
Hey, Dad, what's the fastest way to start making more money in sales?
All right, it's not the only way, but the fastest way is to learn a simple system for closing. And I'm going to help everybody out on that right now. We've got a closing mini masterclass at Easton University. It's $300. Not for you. I'm going to cover the cost for you. I'll pay the $300. Just click the link here. You're going to get my closing mini masterclass for free. This is the fastest way for you to make more money. We're going to become best friends. You're going to be like, Matt Easton, I love you, I love you, I love you. And I'm going to be like, I love you too, because you're going to be closing a lot more deals. I'm covering the cost. Click the link. Let's get you closing.